这种新型的变种病毒 Omicron 由这个南非第一例来通报。欧盟执委会主席范德莱恩讲，目前是咧抢时间，要来了解这种新病毒的特性。科学家讲，至少就要2礼拜到3礼拜的时间。上大先发现这种病毒的南非的医师嘛出面来说明，讲目前伊所发现的病例拢是属轻症。若为着病毒的族群，以40岁以下较侪，伊是来呼吁着各界无需要惊狂，但是伊嘛来提醒，若是有慢性病，佮无来注疫苗的长辈者，为着这种病毒的危险性，会比少年人佮较悬。
And the overall patients that was recorded yesterday was 3,000 and around about 3,700. So our positivity rate is 9.2%.
南非医学学会主席科茨是上早发现 Omicron 变种病毒的医生之一。即嘛，这个变种病毒，互全世界拢着惊，伊出面说明。
So it started with the younger generation, 40 and less. The most predominant clinical complaint is severe fatigue for 1 or 2 days, with then the headache and the body aches and pain.
科茨就讲，若去为着这 Omicron， 对来讲会野先头会痛，身躯酸痛，症头同款造成脑痛甲咳嗽。不过呢，这个症头有较轻，嘛袂造成食无味、鼻无味的情形，是讲有一个查某囡仔有发烧的症头。
I only had one child that was severely ill with a temperature of what we call 40 degrees, and with quite a fast pulse rate. But we managed to treat her at home, and within 48 hours, she was dramatically better.
科茨表示讲 ，Omicron 病例大部分都是轻症，不过伊嘛烦恼讲，若有慢性病，又佮无注疫苗，这个老大人去为着危险性比少年人佮较悬。这款病毒到底威力安怎？全世界也伫研究。欧盟执委会主席嘛承认讲，这是甲时间的比赛。
We take this Omicron variant very serious. And we know that we are now in a race against time. And the scientists and manufacturers need 2 to 3 weeks to have a full picture about the quality of the mutations of this Omicron variant.
世卫嘛表示讲，这款新变种病毒是一个传染力，爱国研究。面对新变种病毒的来临，全世界嘛已经加紧脚步伫研究甲防治。